Hey, good evening. Michelle Kuipers here, and I am kind of late getting on here today. But I just wanted to tell you real quickly, I just finished reading or listening to a thing on LinkedIn, one of those LinkedIn courses, and I just thought it was fantastic. Hi, Michelle. And so I just want to tell you real quickly, give you a quick summary of the course. It was called The 6 Morning Habits of High Performers by Hal Elrod. And it was fantastic. In summary, what it basically is he gives tips on how to meditate, exercise, and kind of change the way that you think in order to get, attainable results. He came up with an acronym called SAVERS, SAVERS, to help you remember the steps that he took to become more productive. And anyways, I think it's really neat, and I'm gonna give it a try. It's action oriented, and the first S stands for silence. And basically what he says is, since we don't get enough silence in the day, since we have phone calls, emails, videos, meetings, etc., just take 10 minutes to be silent. And just what I liked about it is he says, stay silent and relaxed. Don't clear your mind. So for me, being silent is easy. It's that wandering that happens when I try to meditate. And so when he said you don't have to clear your mind, I was like really happy with that. Just be silent and quiet, and the ideas will just start flowing. So I thought that was a great one. The other one, A, is for affirm. Affirm things. Affirmation is basically a written statement that gets the result. The cool thing about this is he said affirmation is not something you say and somehow it's just going to become true. Saying I'm a millionaire when you got $5 in your bank account isn't an affirmation. It's just basically a lie. And I was at a industry conference with some teammates, and what we got to listen to Noah St. John, and what he says about affirmations is to reverse that and to make it a question. Instead of just I'm happy, you say why am I happy? And that it kind of tricks the subconscious, because instead of sitting there battling with this, I'm not happy though, or I'm not a millionaire, by saying why am I, turning it into a question, it makes you think through that. So Noah St. John is a great person for affirmations. But this guy, Elrod, says that make the affirmations action-oriented, not thought-oriented. So you craft them by 1, affirm 2, your commitment, remind yourself your why, the commitment means something to you, affirm that what you're committed to doing, and focus on the actions you will take to get there. And then 4, when you are specifically going to do them. Let's see, savers. The V is visualization. Go through the visualization exercises, but look at yourself enjoying the activity. If you plan to run, so for me, this was a big one. If you plan to run, you don't like running, I hate running. Imagine yourself running and enjoying the run. This will make you perform the task that you don't really feel like doing. Now, I probably won't run still, but see yourself enjoying what you're doing. E is exercise. He says that if you exercise just 60 seconds in the morning, that's enough. I'm not sure if that's true, but I would love it if it was just 60 seconds. Although his morning routine includes stretching followed by a 7-minute total body workout, and that works for him. So if you might want to listen to that because, you know, if that works, 7 minutes is great. The R is for reading. And we all know that leaders are readers. You're one book away from learning what you want. You know, basically what you want and what you need to learn, it's in a book. Somebody has written it. So read, read, read. And if you read just 5 pages a day, that's like 1 book a month, which could be 12 books a year. Of course, it depends on the size of the books, but read, read, read. And then the S is for scribing, write in a journal. He takes 5 minutes, a 5-minute journal entry, and in it he writes the first 3 things that he's grateful for. Gratitude is absolutely fantastic. That does wonders for, you know, our whole thought process and how you get through a day. And then 3 things that he wants to accomplish that day that will get him closer to your goal. And remember, what we focus on becomes our reality. So if we focus on what we don't have, guess what? More of what we don't have. So focus on what we do have, what we are grateful for, and that's what is going to fill your life, is all those good, positive things. Oh, this was interesting. Being busy does not mean being productive. Answering emails, texts, etc. are not what our goals and tasks should be about. It should be about the life we want to live. So this was, like I said, just a short review on the 6 morning habits of high performers. So remember, S is for silence, A is affirm, V is visualize, E is exercise, R is reading, and S is scribing. Again, I listened to this on one of those LinkedIn courses, and it was really good. I highly recommend it. So I hope this was helpful to you and gets you motivated to go learn something new or kind of put your goals back in order. We're halfway through the year. It's been a very peculiar year. But you know, no matter where you are, start over, get going. And I hope this was helpful. If you know anybody that might be interested, send them this way. The other thing is, if you would like a list of 25 daily affirmations to improve your mindset, let me know. I'm happy to send that over to you, and we can all go through life a little more blissful with our daily affirmations. So thanks, have a good evening, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.